How to fix slow rendering in Openshot. Slow rendering can really hold back your video projects. If your exports are taking forever, there are a few settings and steps to speed things up. Start by reducing your export resolution and bitrate if you don't need ultra high quality. Exporting in 1080p instead of 4K or lowering the bitrate significantly speeds up the process without huge quality loss for most users. Next, try closing all other programs while rendering. Rendering is CPU intensive and freeing up resources helps Openshot finish faster. Check your export profile and try switching to a different codec like S.264 if you are currently using a more complex one. Also, update your computer's graphic drivers. Save your project before exporting, then restart Openshot. This clears temporary cache and often prevents rendering slowdowns. Has your render ever taken hours? Share your longest render time in the comments below. Follow these steps to get your videos rendered faster so you can move on to your next projects. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.